Hello, everybody. I am the puppet from Puppet Land. I am the rabbi, actually. And my dream in life is to enhance the humans, that they should be able to make peace around the world. And in Puppet Land is a very magical place. We were created by the forces of good in the world, that we should tell the humans that it is very important to get along with one another. No matter what religion you are, we are all God's creations. And I would love everyone to work with every single nation of the world to have peace. But I certainly believe that the only way we can have peace if we teach our children not to commit suicide and have respect for themselves. Every nation, if they understood the value of life and how blessed you are to have the breath of life and to be healthy. There are so many illnesses and sicknesses in the world, and we must live in humanity together to make the cures for all diseases and be together, peace with every nation. But you yourself must accept who you are, what you are, and where you are, and never think that just because of somebody's bullying you or makes you feel bad, you are not important. You will grow up and you will be stronger to know the world is full of special people like you. And I would like to express my sincerity to you. If you ever have a problem, always contact Puppet Street at AOL.com. And I, the Rabbi Puppet, will try to answer all your questions. Never, never, never feel that you are all alone. You always have a friend. I will be your friend. You will never commit suicide, and you never hurt yourself, and never be depressed, because the world around you is special, and every moment of our life is a blessing and a miracle. So please contact me at puppetstreet@AOL.com, or have your friends send donations to us so we can make a beautiful puppet theater at Puppet Land at 9608 Brighton Way in Beverly Hills, California 90210. Once again, it's Puppet Land at 9608 Brighton Way in Beverly Hills, California 90210. Thank you so much. And from now on, you're going to think that you are special.